Okay, so, um, welcome back to my channel, my little green birds. I'm like so obsessed right now watching America's Next Top Model on Amazon Prime because it's totally for free right now. And I have literally like gone through all the way up to season 10, probably I feel like within like 2 or 3 weeks because I'm like really obsessed right now. But anyways, that was like a hella total sidebar. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. As I said, so what I'm going to be going over, I'm just going to pretty much just be unboxing a package that I ordered. Um, let's cover up the address and everything. So all of that is like right here. Okay, this is totally unopened, and yeah, so it's just pretty much more is clinical products. If you guys are totally interested in seeing what is inside of this box, then stay tuned. Okay, so I really need to turn off America's Next Top Model because I have it like the way how I have everything set up is like my mirror's right here, then I have big ass iPad right here, and yeah, so when I'm looking this direction at my mirror, it just makes me want to watch the show. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. I'm just like kind of testing out doing like a little short video. I don't know if I should do like mini unboxings and stuff like that. Um, I just want to see, yeah, if you guys seem to respond to that a lot more. So like I said, this is brand new, never been opened. So the day before the holidays, the big holiday, which is Christmas. So today is the 23rd. So I'm sure everyone has got most of their. Okay, so this is my receipt. So yeah, I love how everything is packed in here so perfectly. This is like the best packaging I have seen so far. Okay, I'm not even joking. Best, best, best. So I got this one from Premiere, and they sell Is Clinical, and they are an authorized retailer, so that is what's up. So as I am opening this, oh my god, so I got a thing of Youth Complex. So I have like enough of Youth Complex right now. And what is this? Caprice? Clearing Serum, Balance and Soothe. I have no idea what this is. Never heard of this brand. So yeah, let's look that up right now. It doesn't hurt. Caprice. I'm wearing a sweater because has been pretty cold lately. Like, yeah, like I'm not even joking. It's been pretty freaking cold lately. Oh, okay. So I guess it's I don't know what it is. It's a holistic high performance luxury skincare line. Okay. Okay, so that sounds awesome to me. It is sold in Nordstrom, so I'm not really sure if this is considered professional. I've never heard of them before. I never bought anything from them before either. So let's just see. How many ounces is this thing? So this is 10. This is a sample. Okay, so the original size for the clearing serum is $90. Okay, that's what's up. And oh my god. Okay, so this is another luxury skincare brand that I'm really interested in buying. So this is actually by Revision. Revision can be found in luxury day spas, med spas, along with plastic surgeon. So I am really interested in Revision. The only reason why I haven't got around to ordering Revision is that it is just so astronomical in terms of price. It is a little more than the Is Clinical, probably by 20%. And Is Clinical is already very high up there because their average serum is about $100 and up, almost up to 200 for the serum. So yeah. Okay. So let's grab this. So what is this? Okay, so I finally got my retinol, my Is Clinical retinol. This is the polyvitamin serum, and it comes in 1 fluid ounce. So this one I believe retails for $90, $98. This retails for $98. But yeah, just to get back to the revision, this is the papaya enzyme cleanser. So I am really interested in trying that out. I am so stoked and excited. And then so I had to get this because, like, I have not washed my face. I'm going to be really honest with you. I have not washed my face since I've been home from work, and I think my face looks really good. Okay? So, I have been using Is Clinical for the past 2 weeks now, okay? Like the past 2 weeks, and my husband said that he has seen a major difference already with my skin and texture. I think it was like I was ready for a much higher grade of performance, which makes me want to buy the cosmetics elite line. And the elite line is so astronomically expensive. I noticed that when I was calculating how much it would cost, I'm like looking at almost $750 for maybe 8 products or something. I don't know. I think it's about 800, and that is for like literally 8 products, and it's a full face. So yeah. But anyways, I think I'm ready for some of those things like that. But like I have said in my previous videos, I would love to be monetized, so definitely check out and watch all my videos to its fullest. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys. But anyways, Youth Complex. So this is a what is this again? Youth Complex is the first cosmeceutical formulation to offer immediate and long-term improvements to aging skin. This is a breakthrough formula. No, wait. This breakthrough formula is a unique blend of potent antioxidants, innovative natural hydrators, and our exclusive biocomplex that addresses targeted aging phenomena with clinical precision. That is a mouthful of epic proportions, and I'm not surprised. So, I actually was using the Youth Complex sample that I got from one of my other hauls that I did. I actually have been using it on my neck, and I have been layering it on my face, and I am pretty astonished. I am very impressed with it so far. And I've only been using it for about a week because it's a sample size, but the way how my skin looks when I wake up in the morning and after I wash the face is quite stellar. I will be very honest with you about that. So, I had to get their White Lightning Complex. So this is a brightener. So right now I am in the middle of, I am trying to improve my skin tone and my skin texture, you guys. So yeah, it's always fun and interesting seeing a different color in their packaging because all you guys have been seeing is kind of like that orange color and then this blue one, and now the the brightening products are all about the brightening of the skin. So this will help with uneven texture and also hyperpigmentation. So um I don't really have that much experience because I am not being consistent even with the sample size that I have. Um like I was told that you're supposed to use it at least 2 weeks to start noticing a difference. And I've been using the cosmetics Simply Brilliant. Okay, so I tend to stick with products that I know that I should be using if I'm gonna get a specific treatment because I don't know why, like I'm sure if I'm using the Is Clinical retinol, all of the above. I'm sure that my face might peel the same, but in terms of getting my face where I want it to be, I'm gonna stick to a specific regimen. So, because like you guys know that I'm gonna start doing these hardcore chemical peels in a series of 3. Okay, so I'm really happy about that. And then, okay, so this is pretty much everything. So in my last video that you guys saw in my Is Clinical haul, oh, this box is kind of damaged. Okay, like I'm not about opening stuff if I'm not gonna use it yet, but I just want to make sure because like look how damaged the box is. So I'm like, I don't know what is up with that. Like I'm talking about like this really deep crease right there. It's like the unwanted cousin. Like seriously. Okay, so everything looks fine, but I'm not gonna open this any further. So this is actually the Tri-Active Exfoliant Mask. So in my last video, you guys know that you know what, let me forget that so you guys have a refresher. Just to refresh you guys, so this is the discontinued Tri-Active Exfoliant, okay? And then this is the Tri-Active Exfoliating Mask. So this replaced this. And if you guys remember, if you guys were reading the infographics that I inserted in my last video, the only major real difference is, of course, the size and the price. This was originally 62, this is 95, and this is in 4 fluid ounces, and then this was in 1.7 ounces, and I believe that there is 2 to 3 ingredients that was not in this versus this. I have no idea what the Tri-Active Exfoliating Mask is supposed to look like. I'm not going to open this until I do my next video, which I will be doing a full-on get ready with me, like full-on spa day from home. I haven't done a spa day from home video in a long time. The last video that I did with the Is Clinical products, that was more focusing on like me getting used to the products for the first time and unboxing a lot of stuff that I have never used before. So yeah, and also, what was it? Yeah, that was like pretty much almost a full spa day from home, but the stuff that I have right now with me, this is going to complete like a full spectrum of everything. I am really so excited about that, and yeah. So right here, this is the Lip Duo, the lip polish so this is the Is Clinical Lip Duo lip polish God, this is like a total tongue twister, even when I'm looking directly at it. So this is the Is Clinical Lip Duo Lip Polish Youth Lip Elixir. God, that is like a total tongue twister right there. So what comes inside of here is the the lip elixir. So I believe it's kind of like the cosmetics lip lip hydrator that I use, the Lumi Lip. That one has it's a lip plumper, and I believe that this one's supposed to be a lip plumper too, but also this comes with a lip polish to exfoliate the lips. So what I have been doing is I've been using the cosmetics detox scrub for my lips. That is a mixture of poppy seed, cornmeal, salicylic acid, and a bunch of other products. And what I love about that product is that it's loose. So when my face is wet and my lips are wet, but I've been doing this separately. So when my lips are moistened from the water, I just use a little of the scrub and I exfoliate the lips. And I just leave it on for like maybe 30 seconds at the most. Rinse it off. My lips feel refreshed, and my lip products that I use can further its lustrous shine. God, I feel like I'm like a cover girl when I'm like talking like this, because like it's all about the rhyming and whatever. They're like total tongue twisters. But anyways, so yeah, this is what's up. This is I think this is like $98 or something like that for these two products all together. But if you buy them individually, it's over 100. And also, so yeah, that's what's up. The White Lightning Complex, this is I believe 130 or 135. And the polyvitamin serum, just to reiterate, is 98. And then the Youth Complex, this is, I believe, oh my god, I think this is actually like $150. I think it's $150. Okay, so don't quote me on that. So I'm so excited to get all 6 of these items. All 6 of these items literally was pretty much $600 right here. So I'm just rounding it off to the nearest number and all. So yeah, like this is $600 worth of products of professional skincare. I am so happy and excited to try all of this. And yes, like I'm just so happy. Like I just love doing all of this stuff for you guys. This is like my thing. This is my jam, and I love it. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out this short video with me. If you love this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And yes, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Greenbird555. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.